Today we present to you the XPower, a device that combines the high-frequency ultrasonic scaling and piece with optical fiber, and an air polisher with automatic switch between the two systems. Let's see together the equipment. The accessories included are 5 handpieces with their sterilizing kits, 2 ultrasonic handpieces for supra and subgingival scaling, 2 air polishing handpieces for supragingival, and 1 perio air polishing. Two powder tanks, 1 for fast type and 1 for mild types of powders. Next we have 2 sample bottles of powders, 1 of bicarbonate and 1 of glycine, 2 torque wrenches, and the power cable. Inside the suitcase we find the main unit. The water container, where inside we find the full assortment of 12 tips. Next we have a wireless foot control, and then the compressed air hose with quick connector. With this tutorial we'll see first how to install the foot control. In wired mode we connect one end to the main unit and the other end on the foot control. To use the wireless mode, the one recommended, remove the battery cover and install 2 AA batteries. Switch on the main unit and the foot control can be connected and controlled. Pay attention, when leaving the factory, the Bluetooth foot control and the main unit have been paired and connected. You don't need further configuration. Before you connect the XPower to the compressor, it's necessary to prepare the assembly where we will connect this end of the air hose. Pay attention, this hose must not be connected to the water supply. This error could cause irreparable damage. Place the device on a solid surface. We will now place external air pipe into the air intake connector on the back of the main unit. Please remove the cap that protects the tank seat before inserting the water tank. Then we fix it in the seat on the main unit. Now we'll fill the tank with enough quantity of water. Connect the ultrasonic handpiece and the air polishing handpiece into the corresponding cables and place the handpiece on the space on both sides of the main unit. The ultrasonic handpiece is on the left and the air polishing on the right. Connect the power cord to the socket on the back of the main unit and then plug in the power. Now turn on the power switch. The elegant screen consents easy view of controls, with the possibility of adjusting with a single touch vibrating power, powder and water flow. Let's describe the function of the foot switch. In the ultrasonic system, the main button activates vibration and water. The dry mode button activates only vibration. The boost button increases the power up to 5 levels. And finally, the cleaning button emits only water. In the air polishing system, the main button activates air and dust. The dry mode button activate only air. The boost button also in this case increases the power up to 5 levels. Finally, the cleaning button will only emit air and water. Now we see how to use the ultrasonic handpiece. Select the tip. We use the P3 and P1 tip for demonstrations. And screw the tip on the handpiece with a torque wrench. Holding the ultrasonic handpiece, the panel will automatically shift ultrasonic mode. Press the P button to enter periodontal treatment mode. Now we press the P button twice. To select the tip we have chosen, this will automatically set the frequency and the right quantity of water will be shown to obtain the best operating condition. Obviously, the vibration intensity is adjusted as a need. Water volumes can also be changed on the screen, with consequent better stability in the performance of the device. When we press the pedal, the LED light turns on and the tip starts to vibrate with elliptical movements. When the main foot button is released, the vibration stops and the LED turns off after 10 seconds. The XPower device is equipped with an automatic frequency tracking system, according to the tip used. So during clinical application we can adjust the vibration power depending on the sensitivity or hardness of the dental tartar. Now let's talk about the air polisher. We add an adequate quantity of powder into the tank. The powder must fall between the maximum and minimum levels marked on the tank. I counsel you to use bicarbonate or 65 micron glycine for supragingival treatments, the fast powders, or 55 micron glycine for mild type subgingival treatments. When the tank is filled, screw the cap. Using the reference arrows, ensure that the tank is secured to the main unit, pushing all the way down until you hear a double click. By holding the polishing handpiece, the screen will automatically move on air polishing mode. We regulate the volume of water on the air pressure by pointing the handpiece toward the container. We press the main button on the foot control, and we check before use it that a spray of air, dust and water comes out of the nozzle. The tank and the powder type as well as the air polisher program, fast or mild, have to match. With these two buttons we define the type of powder we want to use. With this button we activate the heating of the water to around 30 degrees. At the end of the day, it's essential to do a cleaning cycle. The cleaning mode allows cleaning and disinfection of the hydraulic system, reducing the accumulation of crystals and bacteria in the pipes. We proceed by filling the water tank with distilled or demineralized water. We hold the ultrasonic handpiece, pointing it toward the container or the sink, pressing the clean button on the screen and pressing the foot switch to start cleaning. 30 seconds after cleaning, release the pedal to stop. We place the handpiece in its seat and we take the air polishing. Point the nozzle toward the container and press the cleaning button again. so that the device automatically emits the residual dust in the pipes and releases the high-pressure gas into the tank of dust. After cleaning for 15 seconds, the device will automatically end cleaning mode. To keep clean the unit's hydraulic system, we recommend using clean and white water jet tablets in the water tank. Thanks to the advanced XPower device for dental hygiene, it is now possible to perform a fast and comfortable removal of biofilm thanks to a target action.